The Sonic Alert SB1000 combination alarm clock is not only a great way to ensure that you wake up, but also connects with other Sonic Alert signalers. It also has a 120-volt lamp input to provide another way to alert you. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The SB1000 offers many features, such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control, built-in receiver to connect to other Sonic Alert signaling devices, lamp connection for flash wake-up alert, dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats, user-selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes, user-selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes, alarm test mode to test functions anytime, improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week, 5-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you'll wake up on time.